How to disable dynamic wallpaper on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So let's start the video. First of all, enter phone key and click on OK. So first of all, go to app library. Now here, so click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and click on wallpaper and style. So after click on wallpaper and style, click on lock screen wallpaper. So if you want to disable dynamic wallpaper, so click on wallpaper. So after click on wallpaper, so if you want to disable dynamic wallpaper, so click on default. So after click on default wallpaper, so click on done. So after click on done, you will see dynamic wallpaper is disabled. So after the process, go back to home screen, refresh phone. So that's how you can disable dynamic wallpapers on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So if you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.